Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 12A Letham Feus Caravan Park. This is a fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, open plan living lodge with your own private wraparound decking, as you can see behind me, your outdoor garden space. But the best part about this lodge is the position and the incredible views you get directly from your lodge that are completely unobstructed right across the Firth of Forth. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera, I'm going to show you those views and then I will take you on the tour inside. So this is your lodge here, 12A, and as you can see the sun is absolutely beaming on it this morning, which is just beautiful. So this is your lodge. To the left we have your drive for 2 cars, which is really handy. And as you can see, your wraparound decking, you do have access there. But what I really wanted to show you before we headed inside was this incredible view. Just look at that this morning. The sun is just beaming this morning, but look at that view. Isn't it so peaceful and tranquil? It's just incredible views directly opposite your lodge as well, completely unobstructed, which you'll be able to see from your living space. Just beautiful. You can hear the birds in the background, but such a beautiful location. But let's head inside and I will show you your lodge. So we're going to head this way. So you've got your garden area to the front. Let's head up onto the decking. Great with this as well is you get plenty of outdoor storage with this property. So it's handy if you've got any activities or any, surfboards or little paddles from being at the beach, you can keep them outside. So you've got storage just there. You've got additional storage here and then further at the end here as well. So ample storage outside. But look at that. Isn't that just incredible? What a great way to start the day. But let's head inside. So we're going to go through the front door into your open plan living space. So you can see we have a dining area just to our left here. And then we have this great open plan living area. And look at all those windows, completely again wrapping around, letting in plenty of light, soak up the sun, but it also means you can take full advantage of the views as well. And we're going to head out that way after the tour. But isn't this such a great sized open plan living space? And then let's head into the kitchen area. Storage just along, and this is your kitchen area. Ample worktop and cabinet space. You have a dishwasher just in the corner. You have an integrated hob and oven. Sun's beaming in again, and what I love about this kitchen is because it is all completely open plan, even if you've got friends and family, you can still be socialising and keeping the fun going while being in the kitchen. So this really is a great space. Then we'll head into bathroom number 1. So this is your shower room. So you have your thermostatic shower cubicle, wash hand basin and WC. And then we're going to head along into the first bedroom. So bedroom number 1. Great size. You could easily get a king or a double in this space. Storage either side as well. It's really peaceful and quiet, and again prime positioning because out the back you have nothing behind you apart from beautiful views, and I'm going to come around and show you that outside in a second. But then we're going to head into bedroom number 2, which is again is a really good size, really light again, ample storage. So we have storage just in the corner here, but we have further going along this wall as well, which is just perfect. And again, imagining opening your blinds on a morning and that being your outlook. And then what's great about this bedroom is you have your second bathroom, which is your main bathroom with the bath and shower. WC just in the corner here and wash hand basin. But it's such a great size, and you can see that you're currently utilising it as like a dry-in area as well, which is a great idea. So that is bathroom number 2. But let's head outside, back through your open plan living space, and we're going to go out the patio doors this time. You can just imagine in the summer months having these wide open, family, friends, children running in and out. Right onto that, stepping straight out of your patio doors, looking onto that view. But I'm going to show you just around the back, so let's head round. Great as well, you've got a wee gate, so if you do have children or pets, then they're not going to escape. But we're going to go along the pathway. Don't forget, this is your drive, 2 cars, and then this is your garden space. But again, prime position, as this is the outlook at the back. Really peaceful, you can hear the birds, but it's just beautiful. Couldn't have picked a better day for this to really show off these views. So that was the personal property tour for 12A Letham Feus Caravan Park. As you've just seen, an incredible 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom open plan living lodge. Gorgeous surrounding views to the front and the rear, your own private decking and garden space, so you can really take full advantage of the views right across the Firth of Forth. You have on-site facilities as well at Letham Feus, being a park for the children and a shop for convenience. Great location as well to really explore Fife and everything it has to offer. So just 5 miles from here you have London Links and the Links golf course. You have cafes and shops. 11 miles and you're into St Andrews, where there's further golf courses, beautiful beaches, bars, cafes, restaurants and shops. 3 miles from here and you also have Leven Beach and the Leven golf course. So again, plenty on your doorstep, beautiful walks and beaches for you and your family to really enjoy, then come back at the end of the day and unwind at this really peaceful location. If you'd like to get further details for this lodge and to get the value, then you can either message me directly, you can click the link on this video, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at Fife Properties.